What's up, guys? So I just wanted to share something real quick. Now, I've had a lot of business and family stuff going on in the last couple weeks, like taxes.
Double the taxes, triple the taxes.
But I'm working on some projects that just aren't done yet, and part of those projects is something that took me a while to figure out how to do, and I think it's the only time that it's ever been done. So this is a 5-second clip of a knife dulling in real time. Well, not really real time, but as it happens. Basically, a photo was taken under magnification, a single cut in 12 inches of cardboard was made, and then another photo was taken until the knife was completely dull. And we're left with this. Pretty cool. At least I think so. Now, there's a lot going on here, and I mean way more than it initially seems, and we're gonna get farther into this in another video, trust me. Because I think that this perfectly demonstrates how geometry can dictate things like edge retention, among other things. Anyway, in the meantime, I'll leave you with this to watch over and over and over again. At least I watched it a bunch of times. Anyway, we'll see you in the next video. I'll get back to my taxes.